Alright, YouTube, today I'm going to teach you how to play Chimonyo Bebe Romai. Umire Bere Chimonyo Bebe Romai. Chimonyo Bebe Romai. Umire Bere Chimonyo Bebe Romai. Chimonyo Bebe Romai. Umire Bere Chimonyo Bebe Romai. Chimonyo Bebe Romai. So please don't be offended that I didn't work beat on this particular tutorial. So I don't play with a beat, but don't worry, next time I'll play the beat again. So what I want to teach you is just the rhythm of the song and some solo you can perform while playing the song whenever you hear the song, so that you can be able to play it and solo. There's kind of a short solo that I'm going to teach you here. And first of all, I advise you as a beginner, whenever you're playing a bass line, just to hold F as a 1. For that, I'm always teaching on the F major. This is FF. Sometimes I play, so I play only D, E flat. I only play D, E flat to back 4, which is 4 chord here. So I can play C, E for 5. So to back up 5, so I can play only. So, but this is not what I'm playing in that particular song. I just teach you how the sound can sound. That F, D, E flat, E, C. You can use them as a bass if you don't want to stress yourself. So, like if you have watched my other video, I taught you what related key is. What is related key? So whenever you play related key, even to play solo, it will help you. Without knowing the related key, you cannot perform solo anywhere. You cannot do solo at all, because you can only use related key to perform solo, like now. Without knowing the related key, I cannot play this thing that I play now. So this is how I solo it. But when I hold like this, you cannot, if you understand what I'm playing. So try to learn this thing steady. How you can exercise it is this: when you put your hand in every chord, in a chord like this. Just practice this thing as you can. Practice this thing as you can, so that you can use your hand regularly. So when you learn this properly, you can even do solo anytime, anyhow you want it. So what did I solo? So let me teach you the solo. that's the soloing. So another thing is what I play, or when you don't have, or the rhythm that you can use to play. What I'm playing is mi fa, mi sa, mi sa, sa, mi sa, fa la, fa la, fa la, la, fa la. So the same thing that I taught you about. So I hope you understand everything. If you don't understand, you can ask me. I don't teach you how to solo. So mi fa, so mi fa, so re, la, la, fa fa, re, ti, ti, la, do, la, do, fa, mi, do, fa, mi, do, re, ti, re, do, ti, re, do, ti, la, fa, do, re, do, ti, ti. So the soloing is very simple.